Now you can turn your simple videos into the animated videos, Pixar style videos or the famous Ghibli style videos in just one click. And these kind of videos are very trendy on the social media. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to do that. So let's dive in. So the tool that we are using is going to be GoEnhance.ai, and this is their website. And to access this, you just have to click on the try GoEnhance for free, and then you will have this interface in front of you. So you can see we have multiple different options like the video to video option, we have the AI video generator, we have the face swapping options, and we have built-in AI image generator. So this AI tool offers you a lot of different things, and if I just scroll down, you can see we have in the more tool section, we have the video effects like the kissing, hugging, 3D effects, and all of the famous effects that you can try, like squishing it or turning yourself into any animal. So these are some cool things that you can try on the platform. And next, we also have the consistent character video options. We have a bunch of different features that we can try, but first of all, let's go with the video to video option. So the interface is very simple. You just have to upload the video that you want to convert into any style. So for example, I'm selecting this video, and then in the style section, we have a bunch of different styles, and you can also classify these styles based on their version. So if I go ahead to the version 4, you can see these are Pixar styles, cute animated styles, pixelated style, we have the clay motion cartoon styles, we also have the Disney vintage anime, American comics. So this is a list of style that you can select. It all depends on you which one you want to go with. And in the same way, we have the Pixar style inside of the version 3, version 2, version 1. And if I just go ahead to the popular styles, this is the famous anime GPT Ghibli style. And next we have the prompt option. Well, you can also skip this option if you want to. And next you can select the duration of your video. So let's go with the 10 seconds, and make sure to select the quality mode because it gives you the best results. Then you can choose between the background or the subject. So if you want to animate the subject only, you can select the person, normal, custom, depends on you. But if you want to restyle the whole video, make sure to disable it. Or if you want something like the green screen, you can do this with the custom backgrounds. Then we also have the seed options. If you want to do this, it depends on you. And next hit generate. Alright, so this is the output video, and now this woman has been turned into that Ghibli style anime. Now let's try something else. So for example, I'm gonna try this dancing video, and this time I'm gonna try this anime style. And you can also control the FPS. So for example, we have the 24 FPS. You can generate the video into 30 FPS. Let's go with the higher frame rates for the more smoothness and hit generate. Alright, so this is the output video, and I think this is looking much better than the previous style. This is the anime style. Well, we have other styles that you can try, but I think this one looks much better than the other ones. And this is how simple and easy it is to transform your videos into the animated or the cartoon style videos. And just below this video, you can see we have different options, like we have the option to regenerate if you don't like these results. And then you can also upscale your videos up to 4K quality, and you can also lip sync your videos. Well, we're gonna cover this later in the video, but first of all, let's look at the results of the 4K quality. Look at this, man. Obviously this is much better than the previous output, and the video is much more detailed. Now let's try my one more favorite style, that is American comic style. And this is the output from this style. And this style also my most favorite style, and I think this one works really well because we don't have any flickering and all that. This is very consistent. So this is it from the video to video section. Now let's talk about the consistent character videos. So if I click on that, you will see this interface in front of you. So you can see we have the option to upload the 3 different images. That means you can upload the elements, you can upload the character images, or you can add multiple characters in just a single scene, right? Then we have the prompt section, we have the aspect ratio options just like the other tools. You can control the video length, and then we have the negative prompt. So let's select these 2 AI generated characters, and inside of the prompt bar, I'm gonna give it this simple prompt and hit generate. Alright, so this is the output video, and this is very impressive. You can see the characters are consistent even though the style is consistent. The best thing is that we don't have any morphing, we don't have any issues. And here we have one more output, and we have some kind of transition in this one, but this one also looks really well. But you can also use this for the marketing way. For example, I have this jacket here and I have this character here, so I will simply define a man wearing a leather jacket, and look at the output result. And now this man is wearing the exact same black leather jacket, and you can also use this for the marketing, or if you want to use this in your AI animations or other kind of stuff, you can utilize this tool. And obviously the results are very high quality. And this is not just limited to the jackets and the clothes. You can add anything that you want be visible in your video. Well, this AI website offers you a lot of different tools, so I can't explore all of these tools together in this video, but that's how you can convert yourself into the cartoon characters, or you can generate the animations with the multiple consistent characters. Obviously they have the lip syncing video options, they have the video effects that I have shown earlier in the video. You have the character animation that allows you to transfer the video motions to any particular image, and you can also check the outputs in the community section. So the link will be in the description below. Go ahead and check this out. And that's it from today. I hope you learned something new, and if you guys did, do give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one.